Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about battery performance on iOS 18.5 on iOS 16, iPhone 16. So here is my white iPhone 16 base variant 128 gigs. So let's start. Initially, it was great, but over time things haven't changed. If you're using iOS 18.5, make sure you watch this video. My experience with iOS 18.5 was pretty good in the beginning, but it turned into bad or worst, I can say. When I first installed iOS 18.5 on my iPhone 16, I noticed an improvement in battery life. Let me show you my iPhone's battery life. It dropped by 1% and now it's at 99%. My charge cycles count are 263. It felt really good to use. However, after a few weeks, the performance started to degrade. One of the most frustrating thing is that my phone loses battery health even when it's just sitting idle overnight. This hasn't been quite disappointed. So my usage is pretty common. Like, I don't play games on my phone. My usage is pretty basic. WhatsApp for messaging, Instagram for browsing, YouTube for watching videos, and other normal daily tasks. Despite such moderate usage, the battery drain is still noticeable. Battery health check. My phone battery health is still at 99%. As I mentioned you, it just dropped at this update, after this update, which is a good sign. It's have 99% battery health, but even with that, the battery performance is not as stable as it should be. So here you can see here the screen on time is 10 hours. This makes me believe that the issue lies with the software optimization rather than the hardware changes. So what we can do to fix our battery life is jump to general, find here background app refresh, and make sure you turn this off so that in the background battery will not lose, like phone will not consume any power. You can turn on dark mode, which will also reduce the power consumption, as dark wallpapers will turn off some pixels in the screen. And then you can also make some changes with the location in the privacy and security. In the location services, swipe up all the way down to system services, and here you can see here significant locations. You can turn it off, as I have turned it off. You can do it as well. And the last thing is, if anything didn't work, wait for Apple to release a new update fix these issues. So what's the conclusion? That was my experience with iOS 18.5 battery performance. Have you noticed any similar issues? Let me know thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care and stay safe.